Having a fast metabolism can make it challenging to gain muscle mass, but with a tailored diet and exercise routine, it's achievable. Aim for 50 to 60% of your daily calories from high-quality carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to fuel your workouts. Include 25% of your calories from nutritious protein sources such as lean meats, tofu, and protein shakes to support muscle growth, and consume 20 to 35% of your calories from healthy fats like olive oil and avocados. To build muscle, increase your calorie intake by an extra 500 calories per day, focusing on nutritious snacks. Prioritize pre- and post-workout fueling and lift weights about 4 days a week, targeting different muscle groups. Additionally, ensure you get adequate rest and recovery, including sleep and occasional downtime, while keeping aerobic workouts low intensity to preserve muscle. Staying active throughout the day also contributes to maintaining the muscle you've developed.